Hello, Miss.
Hello, me. Hello, hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning.
Oh, my camera, what happened? Good morning, Miss.
Morning, morning, everybody.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning. So, well, we are going to start today our math class. And today we're going to be working on the book. Okay. So if you don't have the book with you, it will be very good if you go and grab it. Okay.
Hello, Miss.
Hello. Okay. So today we're going to be, just give me a second here. We're going to
drawing.
nice, nice, nice. Okay. So well, today we are going to work in page 93 and in 94. And the topic is solve multi-step problems using equations.
In the book.
Yeah. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Wow, here we go. So everybody please open your book in page 93. As you know, we have been reviewing multiplications and things like that. But today, we are going to learn how to solve multi-step problems using equations, okay? So how can you represent and solve multi-step problems using equation? How we are gonna do that, okay? We are gonna, over there you can see the screen, your book, we had one of the ways and we have 4 steps that we are gonna learn. So Lin-Mi, can you do me the favor to read the problem? We have over there, the first that we have, it's, we have this problem, okay, that we need to read.
Okay. Chris Murray's computer has 3 hard drives with 64 gigabytes of space each and two hard drives with 16 gigabytes of space each. The files on her computer use 78 gigabytes of space. How much hard drive space does her computer have left?
Okay, so it's important, people, that we try to identify or underline the important information. They are talking about what?
Gigabyte.
They're talking about the gigabyte, the hard drives, okay, of the computer. So it's important that we identify that, and it means that we have 3 drives, okay, and we have 2 hard drives, okay, with 16 gigabytes, and the first 3 hard drive had 64, right? And they say that the files on her computer use 78 gigabytes. That is all that is important information to understand this problem? Tell me, Litzy.
Miss, what it is gigabyte?
Gigabytes, baby, is the space that is into cell phones and computers that have a space for you to take pictures, to upload applications. It's a technology and digital space in your phone, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, baby. So over there, we are going to go to the one way. Use the multi-step single step equation. We have the step number 1, okay? Let's see, Andrea, can you read the step number 1?
Okay, step 1. Find how much hard drive space is on 3 hard drives with 64 gigabytes of space each.
Okay, it means that I have 3 hard drives, 3, and each of them, it has 64, 64, and 64, okay? Each hard drive, it has 64 gigabytes. So over there, we need to multiply 3 times 64. So let's start. We need to find the total space of the 3 gigabytes. That is the value of n, okay? See, here we go. 3 times 4. Mm-hmm. 3.
12.
12. I'm going to try 1 and I'm going to remove 1. And 3 times 6
18.
plus 1.
19.
So the value of n, the number that I need to find, is 192 gigabytes in 3 hard drives, okay? Remember that in here we are multiplying the space gigabytes in each drive, okay? That it means that I have 3 hard drives, and each hard drive has 64 gigabytes. Let's see step number 2. Let's see, let's see, Camila, can you read the number 2? Camila?
Find how much hard drive space in on 2 with
In 2 hard drives with 16 gigabytes
16 gigabytes of space.
of space. Okay, it means that I need to, you see, I have 1 hard drive and another hard drive. It means that I have 2 in each one. So I need to find the total space of 2 hard drives with 16 gigabytes. It means that I'm going to multiply 2 times 16. So 2 times 6?
12.
12, right? I'm gonna write 2 and I'm going to regroup 1. And 2 times 1?
2.
Plus 1?
3.
3. Okay, I have, these 2 hard drive has 32 gigabytes.
And your 3 is not like a 3, it's like a 5.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm not good with that, but that is not a big deal. Okay, you know that is 3. Okay, don't worry about it. Sorry that I didn't make it properly. Okay, number step 3, Diego.
Okay. Find the total hard drive space on the computer.
It means the total space on 64 gigabyte hard drives and the total space of 16 gigabyte hard drive. It means that I'm going to make an addition of 132 plus 32. So 2 plus 2?
4.
2, 4,
4.
9, sorry, plus 3?
these 12.
12.
12, and I regroup 1, right? So
Yes.
1 plus 0 plus 1?
What?
It becomes
2.
2, right? 2, because I don't have a number to make an addition of 1. Okay, the total space of the computer is 224. Okay, so then remember that we had the files that they say that the files on the computer use 78 gigabytes of space. Imagine that she has picture, videos, I don't know, TikTok or Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. They have all this application in the computer as an example, just an example, okay? And she has used 78 gigabytes. So now I'm going to subtract 224 minus 78. Remember, the 78 is that the space that I already use in the computer. Okay, the gigabytes that I already use. So let's try to make this subtraction. So if I have 224 minus 78, right?
Yes.
So can I subtract 8 from 4?
No.
What I have to do?
Take a number of
I regroup.
I'm gonna regroup. So it means that this becoming a 12, and this 12 gives 1 to 4, and this is 14, and this 12 is not 12, it becomes in 11, remember, right? Yes? It's in 1. Okay? Or we can do it in another way. I only gonna lend this, and this is going to 14, and this is gonna be a 1. As just don't get lost. Okay, I need to subtract 8 for 14.
is
6.
It's 6, yes. 6. Then these 2 became in 1. So this is going to lend, this one is going to lend, and this 2 is going to lend. Okay. And this one became in 1. 11 minus 7.
4.
4. Okay.
4.
And 1, I don't have a number to subtract, so I'm going to write it down. Okay, this one. Okay. And that is my space, available space that I have in my computer. So Chris Mari has
146 space.
46 gigabytes of hard drive space left on their computer. So it means that she had a lot of space yet to take more pictures or those little videos, okay? So we're going to the next page, and nobody tell me, Miss, wait, I haven't finished, because you had to be working with me. Okay? So here we go. In the page 94, let's see, Joseph, can you help me to please read this order of operations?
Order of operation. The order of operation is a special set of rules that give the order in which calculations
Are done.
are done in an expression. First multiply and divide from left to right. Then add and subtract from left to right.
Okay, it means that we need to write in order. That's why it's so important that we write in order. So I'm gonna tell you this. You have already learned a little bit how to make this order operation in one topic in second partial, I think, if I am not wrong. But in here, they are giving you an order, like we can use one multi-step equation, like in here. You can write that three space that have the hard drive, 64, 64, 64, and 16, 16. This is the total space of the computer, okay? But, and then we have the space that Chris Mari had used, and the space left, sorry. So another way that we can write this equation is, I'm gonna write my multiplication. This is the same that I have. How many 64 I have in here?
3.
Okay,
3.
I'm going to write 3 times
64.
64.
64. And then I'm gonna write up the signal of plus, because remember that at the end, I make an addition of the two products, the two has 16, the two partial products. Then I have 2 times 16. Because I have, how many 16 I have?
2.
Okay. And remember that I need to use, because the 78 I subtract, so I need to write minus over there. And then an equal, that it means the total, okay? So there we are gonna write. So what is the product of 3 times 64?
It is
192.
192 plus
plus
2.
300.
Remember that I need to write again the same, the other multiplication, okay?
2 times 16 minus 28.
32.
Then I write again the products, you see? 192 and minus
2 minus
78.
Yes.
78. So what is that? When I make an addition of 192 plus 32 is
when you make 192 plus
not
30
these two,
plus these two.
these two.
Is 200 200
124.
24, and then I subtract 78, right?
Yes.
And what is my final product?
146.
146. So if you can see, maybe I can see some faces right now. Some of you were like, what? But this that you can see over there, this procedure and the way that we're trying to solve this equation all this is solving a multi-step and using equation. Okay, it means that I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to solve these kind of solving problems. Like when you find this kind of problems that you need to read and you need to get information. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have questions, just ask me right now. Okay. I don't want you that you be like, Miss, I don't understand that and things like that. You are free to ask. So right now, we are going to try to do this because we still have time, okay? Use the order operation to find the value of n. We need to find the value of n. So if you see, they already gave us this exercise and we need to solve it in multi-steps. So in here, what is the first number that I need to write there?
5.
5. Sure.
Yes.
Okay, they already give me the equation. I need to multiply 5 times 17.
Oh.
So 5 times 7?
It is 35.
I'm going to write 5 and I'm going to regroup.
1. 3. 3.
5 times 1
5.
5.
plus 3.
8.
So my partial product is
85. 5.
Okay, you see, I already had the plus in here. And then I need to multiply 5 times 20. 5 times 0?
0.
Okay. Oh. We need to write again the multiplication. Ooh, sorry.
What?
Yes, that's why.
No, miss. Don't say sorry. It's our... How to say error?
Mistake, yes. Okay, now we're going
We don't say you.
5 times 0.
0.
And
10.
10.
5 times 2 is 10. 10.
And I write again 32. Okay. Then say next multiply 2 times 20 we already did. Now then the other two products. So 85 plus 100 is
85 plus 1. Oh, 185.
185. And now what I'm going to do?
I'm going to subtract 32.
I need to subtract 32. So 195, sorry, minus 32.
Wait, miss, don't say it.
2 is a 1, miss.
This
It's
one
like a 1. It's 33. It's 33. You
Yeah.
put a 1 and it's
153.
33.
What is the final?
153.
53, right? Because if I subtract 5 from 2 is 3, and I need to subtract 3 from 8 is 5, and I didn't have a number to subtract 1, I just write it down. So that is my final answer, and that is the value of n, 153. Okay.
Home. Le vas a dar el join. Ahora en your microphone.
Miss, I put a 2 because you put a 1.
Sorry, yes, sorry guys, but remember that is not a big deal. I know I am going to try and improve my number with this pencil, this digital pencil. I still have some problem with that, okay? But here we go, okay? So may I erase in here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yummy. Yes.
Remember that you had to work with me, okay? You had to be in the same. Because some of you, I can see that you're looking something else or someone interrupt you. So please, Okay.
Miss, here is Jasper.
Okay, but okay. Okay, say hello from me to him. So we need to continue here. Now we have this. And this one, we need to find the value of n, but we need to make the equation. We need to make the procedures.
The whole question procedure.
Yeah, the whole procedure. We can do it. I know some of you, you make like big numbers in your notebook or book, but in here, try to do it a little bit. So let's try to work together. And in here we have 3 times
22.
22. So 3 times 2?
3 times 2 is 6.
6.
And 2 times 2?
6.
6. Okay, I'm gonna write the plus. Remember that I need to write again my whole equation. Okay? 24. I'm trying to do these numbers properly. Okay, I'm sorry, people. Okay, so now I need to multiply 7 times 41. 7 times 1
Is 7.
7, and 7 times 4.
28.
Okay. So you see, look what I am doing. Okay. And I have 24 in the value of n. So I have in here 66 plus 287. Adrián, Darwin, Elena, Bruce, Sofía, Joseph, Jose, Liam.
I copied that you do.
But I am asking you to make 66 times 287. Done.
Times.
Oh, sorry, plus. Oops. Okay, I'm Laura.
It's me. Be, how do you say paciente?
I know, I am patient, but
I'm not very fast.
yeah.
Comparing to the other grades, I am not very fast. Like my brother.
Listen. I'm not just saying, Andrea. I am asking to all your parents because they have been very.
Please, you can say it. You can say it again.
Ah.
You can say it again.
13.
66 plus 287.
I think it's a 7.
13 means it's 13.
6 plus 7
It's
is 13.
124.
13.
6 and 7, 13.
Another answer.
2, 3.
It's question. It's 153, I think.
Miss. Okay. Miss
Mhm.
is 353.
It's
353 because 6 plus 7 is 13. And 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1 is 15. And then 2 you don't add, you don't have something to add.
Oh, Miss, I'm going to say you 947.
okay.
And you add 2 and 1 and it's 3. And it's 353.
And now I need to subtract 24 from 353. What will be my answer there? My final product.
Is Mm.
353 minus 24. Sebastián, there is a lot of students that I can see your camera. Sebastián, Abigail, José Andrés.
$329.
311.
329. 300.
Why, miss?
Because if you subtract, remember that you are going to lend one digit to 3 because you cannot subtract 4. And 13 minus 4 is 9. And that 5 became 4. You subtract 2 to 4, you're gonna have 2. And you don't have a number to subtract with 3, you just write it down.
I don't have a lot of place to do all that you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, don't worry if we don't finish. I'm going to take like some extra minutes. I don't know if you agree with me after spelling class to solve this.
Okay. And me, can you say the answer of number 1? It's because I don't copy.
The number 1 is 153.
Miss, but we don't go to spelling.
No, it is the last class. No, it's no. Sorry.
French.
The
French.
last class is language.
English.
It's in language, okay? So we're gonna take like
No, Miss, the last class is French.
No.
No, that is the second
No,
class,
the
last
class
of
The
today.
last
class is
language.
Spelling
is after
of lunch.
please don't.
Miss.
Yes,
Oh, now I understand.
tell me
You
I don't
say the
miss.
class
Miss.
at the finish of the day.
okay, yes, Lauren, let Sebastian speak, please.
Miss. I don't finish one.
Why you didn't finish the one if
Of another.
you step?
Um, I don't know how to do. The widow in when go to the page 96 the initial.
In which one?
Means the person that finished.
El principio de la página 94.
I listen you properly, Sebastian. Okay, everybody, if you want, you leave, and I'm gonna stay with Sebastian. Everybody leave, go to French class.
Bye, Miss.
But I want to say something.
Tell me, Andrea. Don't go, Sebastian, don't go. Stay with.
That I think Sebastiani says the first exercise is
Ah.
number